Great grind day, great grind day. Welcome to your vitamin G conversations with Kendall.
Great grind day, great grind day. This is your daily grind. My favorite quote. I came up with it. I'm taking full ownership of it. Don't let the way you feel affect the way you flow. My man Jamal told me yesterday, you got to do your daily grind on that. Don't let the way you feel affect the way you flow. Kendall, what does that mean? You know what that means? I don't feel like getting up. I don't feel like going to the gym. I don't feel like doing this. I'm going through life kicking my tail. I'm emotionally distraught. Don't let the way you feel affect the way you flow. Nobody care about how you feel. Your kids need to eat. Nobody care about how you feel. Somebody's counting on you to do everything that you said. And because you don't feel good, let me tell you something. I did a boss talk. Matter of fact, I did the last boss talk. I was standing up in front of the boss group and I was coming down with a cold. And I ain't had a cold in almost 4 years. I ain't been sick in almost 4 years from a cold, right? So I felt the fever because my body was going through chills. And I was literally standing up talking. Literally, and I got lightheaded. I'm talking about I felt like I was gonna fall out. Kendall, did you stop talking? No, I didn't let the way I feel affect the way I flow. It's plenty of mornings I wake up, my whole body is aching. I'm going through the go-through. People in your family gonna die. I'm feeling the pain, the everything. But I don't let the way I feel affect the way I flow. And because I don't let the way I feel affect the way I flow, I'm able to grow. And not only am I able to grow, I'm able to be an example for those that need to grow. Most of us are not getting the things that we want, are not becoming the person that we need to become because we're allowing our feelings to affect our flow. And if you don't stop letting the way you feel affect the way you flow, you'll never go and you'll never grow. Y'all have a great grind day. We'll talk soon.